Hello friends, today we are going to learn Chapter 2 Components of Food. What do different food items contain? We know that each dish is usually made up of one or more ingredients which we get from plants or animals. These ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body. These components are called nutrients. The major nutrients in our food are named carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. In addition, food contains dietary fibers and water, which are also needed by our body. What do various nutrients do for our body? Carbohydrates mainly provide energy to our body. Fats also give us energy. Fats give much more energy as compared to the same amount of carbohydrates. Foods containing small quantities. Vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy. Vitamin C helps body to fight against many diseases. Vitamin D helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. Minerals are needed by our body in small amounts. Each one is essential. Proteins are often called bodybuilding foods. Vitamins help in protecting our body against diseases. Vitamins also help in keeping our eyes, bones, teeth, and gums healthy. Vitamins are of different kinds known by different names. Some of these vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and K. There is also a group of vitamins called vitamin B complex. Our body needs all types of vitamins. For proper growth of body and to maintain good health, most food items usually have more than one nutrient. However, in a given raw material, one particular nutrient may be present in much larger quantity than in others. For example, rice has more carbohydrates than other nutrients. Thus, we say that rice is a carbohydrate-rich source of food. Besides these nutrients, our body needs dietary fibers and water. Dietary fibers are also known as roughage. Roughage is mainly provided by plants products in our foods. Whole grains and pulses, potatoes, fresh fruits and vegetables are main source of roughage. Roughage does not provide any nutrient to our body, but it is an essential component of our food and adds to its bulk. This helps our body get rid of indigestion food. Water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. It also helps in throwing out some wastes from body as urine and sweat. Normally we get most of the water that our body needs from the liquids we drink such as water, milk and tea. In addition we add water to most cooked foods. Balanced diet. The food we normally eat in a day is our diet. For growth and maintenance of good health, our diet should have all the nutrients that our body needs in right quantities, not too much of one and not too little of the other. The diet should also contain a good amount of roughage and water. Such a diet is called a balanced diet. Deficiency diseases. A person may be getting enough food to eat, but sometimes the food may not contain a particular nutrient. If this continues over a long period of time, the person may suffer from its deficiency. Deficiency of one or more nutrients can cause diseases or disorders in our body. Diseases that occur due to lack of nutrients over a long period of are called deficiency diseases. If a person does not get enough proteins in his or her food for a long time, he or she is likely to have stunted growth, swelling of face, discoloration of hair, skin diseases, and diarrhea. If the diet is deficient in both carbohydrates and proteins for a long period of time, the growth may stop completely. Such a person becomes very lean and thin and so weak that he or she may not even be able to move. Deficiency of different vitamins and minerals may also result in certain diseases or disorders. All deficiency diseases can be prevented by taking a balanced diet. Vitamin or mineral. Vitamin A deficiency disease or disorder, loss of vision. Symptoms: poor vision, loss of vision in darkness, sometimes complete loss of vision. Vitamin B1, berry, weak muscles and very little energy to work. Vitamin C, scurvy, bleeding gums, wounds take longer time to heal. Vitamin D, rickets, bones become soft and bent. Calcium, bone and tooth decay, weak bones, tooth decay. Iodine, goiter, glands in the neck appear swollen, mental